Hello everyone, thank you guys for tuning in to our channel today. Today's Canva video request is how to use stylish font in Canva app. Okay, we're gonna get started. Alright, first of all, if you haven't downloaded or installed Canva or the Canva app on your mobile phone, then you have to go to your Play Store or App Store first, search for Canva, and then install it. Once it's installed, you can then log in or sign up to Canva. All right, so since we're talking about stylish font in the Canva app, then of course, before we actually get to our fonts, we have to select a design format first. So depending on what you're trying to create, you can go to the search bar over here and then type in whatever it is you're trying to create. So say, for example, you're creating a document or a mobile video or a Facebook post. But in this case, we're going to try to type in Instagram post. And then we're going to select from two options, either the square or the portrait. So we're going to go with the square this time. Okay, so here we are on the templates page. You can look for some templates that you want to use. I guess I'm going to have to go with this one. This looks very cute. And so here we are on the editor. Okay, so this is our template fully loaded. So we're going to talk about the fonts over here, or I'm just going to zoom in so that we can see better. So in order to edit your font or edit your text, of course, you're going to have to select or click on a specific text element. This one, for example, the one that says hello. And if you click on it, the toolbar will appear and you can see it below your screen. So you can scroll horizontally to see the other tools you have. Don't worry, we're going to talk about them one by one. So here, the first button you can see is the edit button. So if you click on it, you'll be able to get this highlighted, get this text highlighted. Therefore, you can edit the text. Next, we have the font. So this is where you can choose different fonts that you can use instead of the one that you're already using on your design. So you can scroll down, or you can type in something here. You can type in whatever you want to type in. It could be the exact name of the font that you're looking for, or if you don't know the font you're looking for, then you can at least search for its category or style. Canva has these preset categories here, such as handwriting, corporate, display, headings, paragraph, sans serif, serif, rounded, modern, bold, elegant, and so much more. You can just use these preset categories to easily look for something. I'm going to try handwriting, and I'm going to scroll down to see what handwriting style would suit this text better. What about this? Yeah, I think that looks cute. We're going to keep it that way. So we're now going to close the font panel. And next we have text styles. So basically, text styles is just all about whether your text is a title, a heading, or a body. I'm going to close this. Then we have font size. Of course, this is where you're going to adjust the size of your font. Next, you have the font color. This is where you can change the color of your font. You have preset solid colors here, but you can also choose from so many colors by clicking this plus button inside the rainbow box or something. So if you click on that, you'll be able to freely select any color of your choice from millions of options. And then this is the format. So basically, this is just an option for you to align your text to the left, to the middle, to the right, or full block style. And depending on the type of font you're using, this is where you'll also see the option to turn your text into bold, italics, underlined, and even in all capital letters. If you want to turn off all caps, then press this, and then all of your letters will turn into lowercase. But that's not allowing me because this is just how the font looks like. This font is all in capital letters. So I'm going to try to select, oh no. I'm going to try to select September and go to format. And this is what I mean. So it depends on the font you're using too. Next, we have the spacing. I'm going to go to hello again. And I'm going to go to spacing, which is the next thing that we're going to talk about. So spacing is just basically to adjust the spacing between your letters. Line spacing, I think it would work better if we have 2 lines. So let me just insert a new line here. Move that here. Say hello again. And then go to spacing to show you what I mean. So this is what line spacing is. It basically adjusts the distance between your sentences. I'm just going to undo all the changes first. And then the next one we have effects. So you can actually apply effects to your text. So here we have the shadow. We can't really see it. We're going to choose the word September instead because it's a lot bigger. And let's go to effects. So you have the shadow, lift, hollow, splice, outline, echo, glitch, neon, and background. Not going to put any effects to it for now. So for the shape, in case you need to curve your text, you can click on curve. And if you want to adjust the intensity of your curve, double tap, and then adjust it just like that. I'm just going to go back. I'm not going to be applying any effects there, so I'm going to click on none. And let's go back to the style. If you choose a certain style, this one for example, and if you want to edit its intensity, then double tap on it too and adjust it just like that. Okay, let's talk about the next option, and that is to animate. So in case you're creating a video or a presentation, you can animate or add an animated effect to your text. Then we're going to exit that. Next, we have transparency. In case you want to adjust the transparency of your text, this is where you need to go. Next, you have layers. So if you want to send this layer to the back, then you can do that. You can adjust the layers here by dragging them. Okay, in order to move it around, long press on a specific element. For example, the word September, long press, and then You can send it to the very back if you want to, or you can send it to the very front. But since this is bigger, I'd like to send hello to the very front so that at least it's a lot easier to access. Okay, so we're going to exit that now. Next, you have position. So this is just basically the same as the layers earlier. This is where you can move something backward and to back. But this one's pretty convenient. You don't have to drag anything around. Just click on a specific element you want to send, either backward or forward, and then just hit backward or forward over here. And then you have nudge. So basically, this is just for you to move around your element. And then if you click on more or tap on more, you'll be able to see a lot of other options here. So you have copy, paste, select multiple, comment, position, tools, link. So in case you want to put a link to your design, click on this link right here and enter your link here. Next, lock. In case you want to lock an element so that you don't accidentally move it around, then this is what you want to click on. Lock position means you can still edit your element, but the position will always be there. The position is locked. You can't move it around. Although you can edit its style or appearance, you're not going to be able to edit its location. So that's lock position. You also have alternative text. So describe the content or function of your selection for users of screen readers, including people who are blind or have low vision. And then delete. If you don't like this element, then of course this is the one you want to tap on. So basically that's it. So all of those tools that we've talked about earlier will definitely help make your font look fancier or look more stylish. And yeah, just unleash your creativity. And that's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you guys for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video. You have a great day.